the sac that hangs outside the body that encloses the testes. Okay? This is the skin of the scrotum. In the skin of the scrotum, you have the dartos muscle, D-A-R-T-O-S, muscle. Okay? The dartos muscle gives the skin its wrinkled appearance. Okay? Who's Joshua? Come up here. And I need someone from your table up here.
Excuse me.
Yes, yeah, get your cats.
Is this box?
Yeah, there are cats in there. All right.
So sperm is the sac outside the body.
All right. Now inside here, you have another muscle, this yellow. Let's see. Okay, this yellow right here in the inner surface of the scrotum is the cremaster muscle. Cremaster muscle is a muscle that contracts and pulls the scrotum further to the body when it's cold outside, and relaxes and extends the scrotum away from the body when it's hot outside. Okay, the scrotum has to maintain a temperature that's 5 degrees lower than the core temperature. So the temperature of the scrotum has to be 93.6 Fahrenheit in order for spermatogenesis to occur. Okay. Now, if it's elevated, then spermatogenesis is interrupted, and that person, if this is continuous, then that person will be sterile. As I said before, men who wear bikini underwear will tend to be sterile because their scrotum is held very close to the body, and the temperature of the scrotum elevates. All right, this is the testis. On top of the testis is the epididymis. The epididymis is the organ where sperm cells will complete their maturation. Okay, the epididymis has 3 parts: head, body, and tail. All right. Now, at ejaculation, the mature sperm cells will mix with 5% of the semen that's produced in the epididymis, and this is called, what is that called? Capacitation. C-A-P-A-C-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Our capacitation is on page 1 of your handout, right? Capacitation. Is it? Capacitation. It's not there? Okay. Capacitation right there.
So what is
C-A-P-A. Oh, you see it?
Where?
One is G1.
Oh, okay. All right, G1A, capacitation. This is the initial movement of sperm cells when mixed with the semen produced by the epididymis. Okay? All right. All right, so the tail of the epididymis will lead to the ductus deferens, or vas deferens, and this ductus deferens will carry the sperm cell and the semen up, in front of, over, and behind the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder, until it reaches the seminal vesicle. This is the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle, turn to page 2, the seminal vesicle produces 60% of the semen. In that semen, there are 3 things that are contained. You have fructose, which is the monosaccharide that provides energy to the sperm cell. You have clotting proteins, and the clotting proteins will thicken the semen, and you'll also have prostaglandins. Prostaglandins, what are you in a trance or something?
No, why? I'm listening to you.
All right. Our prostaglandins are hormones that stimulate smooth muscle contraction. You be writing this stuff down. Okay? It stimulates smooth muscle contraction. All right. It will then leave the seminal vesicle as the ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct, you don't see it here, but here you do, okay? Right here. All right, this is the ejaculatory duct that you see here. Oh, look, that one. That's the ejaculatory duct. The ejaculatory duct enters the prostate gland. It's the prostate gland. It merges with the prostatic urethra. The prostate gland produces 30% of the semen. And the semen of the prostate gland has two things. It has an alkaline fluid. The alkaline fluid neutralizes the acid environment of the vagina. And it also has seminal plasmin. Page 2. Seminal plasmin is an antibiotic. An antibiotic. And this antibiotic will prevent urinary tract infections in the male. Prevents urinary tract infections. Okay? All right. So, the prostatic urethra then leaves the prostate gland and enters the urogenital diaphragm. This is the urogenital diaphragm. Okay? In the urogenital diaphragm, you'll have bulbal urethral glands. These are they. Look. These are they. These are the bulbal urethral glands.
In the what? Okay.
In the urogenital diaphragm. The bulbal urethral glands are also called Cowper's glands. C-O-W-P-E-R. Cowper's glands. These glands will secrete 5% of the semen, and this is a mucousy semen that is designed to lubricate the gland's penis. Okay? It lubricates the gland's penis. All right. Now, the urethra, when it enters the urogenital diaphragm, is called the membranous urethra. M-E-M-B-R-A-N-O-U-S. Membranous urethra. All right. When the membranous urethra enters the penis, it becomes the penile urethra. P-E-N-I-L-E. So this will be the penile urethra that runs along the length of the penis. In the gland's penis, the penile urethra has this expanded area here. That expanded area is called the navicular fossa. The navicular fossa. Okay, this expanded area here. The opening of the gland's penis is called the external urethral meatus. External urethral meatus. So the sperm and the semen will exit the penis from this opening. All right? Any questions about that?
Wait, I have a question. Where's the Cowper's glands? Like, what's the tube that
Right
the
here.
Cowper's glands are
Right
on?
here.
Yeah, but what's the tube called?
Tube. What do you mean tube?
This.
The urethra. It's the membranous urethra.
Okay, thank you.
Membranous urethra. All right. Okay, let's look at the penis. Here you have erectile tissue. The erectile tissue is called corpora cavernosa. Corpora cavernosa. There are two of them, but you only see one here. So the gray represents the corpora cavernosa, which is the erectile tissue. The red is the corpus spongiosum. Corpus spongiosum, and that contains the penile urethra. Okay? There are three parts of the penis. You have the root. Here, root, R-O-O-T, root. The shaft or body, and the glands, G-L-A-N-S. Glands is the head of the penis. Okay. All right. Who wants to be first?
No problem. I'll try, but I don't really know the locations. I wrote everything down and just